The mystery of the pyramids. For thousands of years we wanted to give an answer to how the long-lasting and symmetrical structures such as the pyramids were built. What was the exact purpose of this invention? Responding to this has become a great fight for the historians and archaeologists who have formulated their theories. From our point or from our point of view, lacking in knowledge about engineering or architecture, we said that its construction was product of very ingenious, strong people with extensive knowledge about their lands. Today, there are theories about what were made by aliens, but it is very subjective because we have no certainty of its existence, but a Welsh engineer in charge of the maintenance in Egypt 20 years ago proposed that ingenuity and is of human origin. His theory says that the pyramids were built with a base of rubble, and block by block the pyramids were built. Affirms that there are no ramps and that it is impossible to put block every 3 minutes on top of each other as other theories speculate. Peter James says that have a, that will have a good faith against the authors of the other theories awaits him.